Good morning everyone. My name is Amalraj KR and I study in class 11 in Dr. Amrit Ishrat Memorial Sunbeam School, NTPC, Tanda.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bharat Aditya Tripathi and I study in class 11 in Dr. Amrit Ishrat Memorial Sunbeam School. We both are here to explain few subjects of Sustainable Development Goals briefly. So let's get started. Whenever we talk about Sustainable Development Goals, the first question arises in our mind is, what is Sustainable Development Goal? So the answer is, it means the development of a country by using resources wisely and without compromising the needs of the future generation. This can be achieved by following various sustainable development goals. The Sustainable Development Goals are developed by the United Nations. They are an universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity. Our main subjects of concern in this presentation will be no poverty, zero hunger, and gender equality. Now, let's head to our first subject of concern, which is poverty. So, what is poverty actually? Is it lack of money, food, shelter, etc.? Let's understand with some pictures. First image shows the poor condition in which the children and people are living. Second image shows the dirty environment which will lead to unhealthy growth of people. The third image resembles people suffering from lack of shelter and poor living conditions. As everything in this world happens with a cause, poverty also has various causes such as lack of access to education, healthcare, and job opportunities. Now, let's talk about understanding poverty. Many people face extreme poverty, which means they face numerous challenges at the same time. Poverty is also linked to social discrimination, which makes it harder for people to access basic services. The key strategies for eradicating poverty are to invest in education, healthcare, and social protection programs. By providing job opportunities and promoting good governance are also critical in eradicating poverty. Now, let's head to our next topic, which is hunger crisis. Let's understand this topic through some images. All of these images show how lack of food has affected people's health and people are waiting in long lines to get food. To overcome hunger crisis, we have to ensure food security in all areas. As we know, food security is a basic human right. It means ensuring that everyone has access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food. Food security is very critical in achieving sustainable development. The challenges in achieving zero hunger are climate change, environmental degradation, food insecurity, and unequal distribution of resources and income. The solutions for achieving zero hunger is to practice sustainable agriculture, which is eco-friendly and can help in increasing food production, and by applying government policies that support small-scale farmers.
We have reached to our third topic, gender equality. Let's start by understanding it in our society. Women and girls face discrimination and exclusion in many areas. Violence, abuse, and harassment are also serious forms of discrimination that continue to affect women. Let's talk about the significance of gender equality. It is a fundamental human right. A society that promotes gender equality is more peaceful and prosperous. Gender equality can create a more fair and equal world for all. We can overcome this by empowering women and girls by providing them equal opportunities as men. Because empowered women can contribute a lot to achieve sustainable development.
Now, we have reached to the end of this presentation, and the conclusion of this presentation comes out to be that Sustainable Development Goals is a framework for fostering international cooperation and mobilizing efforts to tackle some of the main issues of our time. After the adoption of SDGs, few problems have arisen. It is essential for governments, international organizations, civil society, and individuals to collaborate and take collective action. That's all from this presentation. I, Bharat Aditya, and my classmate Amal Raj want to thank you all for providing us this very exquisite opportunity.